What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of King Customs, and on today's episode we are going to be installing fog lights on this 2007 Toyota Corolla. And when I say we, I got a special guest returning back in these videos. Welcome to BUhSookie! BUhSookie is back in the building and he is going to be helping me install these fog lights on this car. It's gonna be an epic video, so definitely stay tuned for this. This is BUhSookie's long reunion back. BUhSookie, how long do you think this is gonna take?
Hopefully we can get this done within an hour.
Within an hour. BUhSookie has said it, and it shall be done. So let's get started right now. Whoop. Alrighty, guys, so here is the game plan for everything. BUhSookie and I are going to work on removing the front bumper. Once the front bumper is removed, we're going to lay out our wiring, and BUhSookie will work on installing the fog lights on the bottom while I work on routing the wiring in. And once I route the wiring in, then we have to work on getting it inside the cab through the firewall. So first, all we're going to do is BUhSookie and I are going to remove the bumper, like I said. He's going to install the fog lights, and I'm going to work on routing the wires. After that, we'll take care of the switch and everything else inside. So let's get started. Alright, guys, so what we're going to do is remove the front bumper. There is 3 things up here to remove, 2 Phillips head screws and 1 clip. So let's get started. Come on and look. So right here, it's a Phillips head screw. This comes off. And on this corner, there's another Phillips head screw that comes off. And then you want to use a tool like this to lift up the tab and pull your clip out, which this clip is already broken somehow, but there you go. So these are the clips. On the other side, there's another bolt that is here, and you just 10 millimeter, and that's all that comes out. It's on both sides. Right up in here, there's a hole right here that the bolt goes in. So this is gonna be hard to see, but there is 2 more clips, plastic clips, that you need to use this pry tool to get out, and it's underneath the bumper support. So once I pull it out, then I'll show you where, but you have to get under the car. So let me get those real quick, and then we'll show you where after. As you can see, right here's a clip, and directly on the other side there is another clip. So we just pop that loose. Alrighty, guys, so here's what we're gonna do. We are going to remove the headlight and the battery. Reason being is I'm gonna hook this up directly to the headlight. That way, every time the headlight switch is turned on, the fog lights can have the ability to turn on and off with their switch. And whenever the headlights are off, the fog lights are dead. They won't turn on. So that's what we're gonna do. But first, I'm gonna put the battery on the floor, hook it up to the fog lights to make sure these fog lights are actually working, because that's something we need to know. So let us do that now. On, off, awesome. Alrighty, guys, so as you see, the fog lights clearly work. It looks great. We are gonna set this up and finalize the entire car, and then that way we can get it all snug, fit, and looking professional. So let's get this done now. Alrighty, guys, so the first thing we're going to do is work on, well, it's not even the first thing, probably like 3rd or 4th thing, but what we're gonna do is route the wire harness over the bumper, the bumper grill guard, and the radiator support. So we're gonna have this running through here. I'm gonna zip tie that down and neaten it up later. Here I have the switch and the relay. So what we're gonna do is snake all of this through the headlight support here. Once this is through here, I'm going to pull this switch out of my way. This is going to go into the car, so that's going to be out the way. As for the relay, there's a perfect spot to put this. If you come in a little bit closer, I can show you. So right over here, there's a little bolt. then I can bolt this right next to my fuse box, and bam, it looks perfect right over there. So there's a bolt here, it's gonna go right there. And then what we're gonna do is take our positive and negative wires, ground and positive wires, and I'm just gonna splice into the headlight itself, the connector, and that should be that. We're gonna have headlights coming in soon, and that should be rad. So let's get started. So we're gonna put this on our fuse box, the relay. Alrighty guys, hope you enjoyed that really quick episode. Well, I don't know how quick it is, I haven't edited it yet, but let's see what it comes up to. But I hope you guys enjoyed that episode on how to install fog lights. Sorry if certain parts wasn't in crazy detail. I promise you guys though, one day I will make a very good in-depth detail video for y'all. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. I'll definitely help you all out with whatever questions you have. Really, it's pretty much simple. All you have to do, which was the parts that I didn't show, was how to wire the fog lights. Like, what I did was I just wired it up and then zip tied it on certain spots. So you can wire it how you want, but the way that I showed you to plug it in and then hook it up to the headlights, that's what I did. I cut the headlights, the headlight connector off, and then I just crimped connect both the headlight to the switch, bam bam, and then I crimped it back to the other end of the connector, which I cut off, and then I connected it back to my headlight, which now anytime you turn on the headlights, the fog lights will automatically have an activation to turn on and off whenever you feel the need to with the headlights only. So that's how my dad wanted it, that's how I did it for him. So there you go guys. So like I said, hope you enjoyed that. So if you guys did, please make sure to leave a like. And BUhSookie says, thank you all for remembering him and missing him. He's not here. He went inside and took a shower. It's really, really cold in here. And we just call it quits. So I'll see you all later. Peace out. Oh yeah, if you guys want to see more videos with BUhSookie, please leave it in the comment section below. And we'll make sure to add him in more of these videos. Peace.